Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Parvej and today we will learn how to draw Alf logo from Alf face. In this video I'll show you whole design process step by step and I think you will learn something from the video, so keep watching and practicing with me. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. I have taken artboard with 2000 pixel into 3000 pixel. You can use the size if you like. After taking the artboard, I'm going to place a all picture. For that, go to file and then go to place. Okay. Then select the all picture from desktop. Okay. Just select and click on place. Just click on artboard and then just center the picture. Okay, look at this picture. I have to choose it for all forward page. You have to choose a all picture like this. Now I'll lock the picture because I don't want to see move the picture when I draw logo. Then select the picture and go to object, lock, and then click on selection. See, the picture is locked. Up now you can't edit or anything. Okay. Now go to stroke and choose black as a logo stroke color and increase the stroke size 30. Okay, just 30. Okay, perfect. Now I will draw all logo by Pentool. Okay, just select the Pentool and start click here. Just and click here, just drag. Okay, then click on anchor point and then click here and just drag and make round shape and click on anchor point, then click on here. Okay, and click on anchor point again and just click here, a little bit round. Okay, perfect. And again click on anchor point, click here. Then click here and make round shape like this. Okay, and then click here and then click here and join. Perfect. Then select the logo object and just drag and drop here. Okay, perfect. Then select the logo object again and go option, transform, then click on reflect, then make copy the object. Okay, and then drag and drop here and put it on first object. Okay, like this. Now I'll delete the all picture. For that, go to object, click on unlock and just select the picture and just delete. Okay, then select the logo and drag to center. Okay, then select all, go to align, then click on vertical align bottom. Okay, now need little bit correction. Select the right side object and just drag little bit left. Okay, now I'll convert stroke to field. Okay, for that select to object and go to object and make span and click OK. Okay, then I'll join two object. Okay, then select all again and take shape builder tool and just drag and join here. Okay, perfect. Now I'll give logo name, so take tab tool, just click on tab tool and take tab tool and type ALF logo. Okay, just make bigger like this. Perfect. Now apply Bebas prompt. Now select the logo name and go option and make create outline. Okay, now select all and go to align, make horizontal align center. Perfect. Now I will apply a gradient in logo. Select the logo object and take gradient tool and just click on here. Okay, and then double click on left side gradient slider. Okay, then go to swatches and choose magenta. Just choose magenta. Okay, then double click on right side gradient slider. Then go to swatches and choose blue. Then make to slider little bit closer. Then change the gradient angle. Click here and set 90. Oops. Set minus 90 degree. Perfect. Then click on logo name and go to color palette. Then choose CMYK blue. Perfect. Okay. Then select all and make group. Then make copy and select the logo and just apply black dark ash. Perfect. In this way you can design any ALF logo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.